Okay, so this is my OneNote notebook. I have several notebooks already created. For example, this is one for my psychology courses, my different tabs and my notes within. If I go over to my education notebook, you can see I have notes from past lectures, and then this is my tab for my IM notes. If I go over to Chrome, I'm going to insert this website into my notebook, go up to the web extension, click on it, and it is not working again. So here's the extension. If I go click article, I can select what location I want it into. I'm going to put it into my English folder and just simply clip it in. Then I can go back to my OneNote notebook, go up to my English area, and here is the article. I can then highlight things, different points that I want to use. So for example, if I want to highlight this point, I can go in and highlight it up here in my Home tab. Select what I want, highlight, and I'm good to go. I can also annotate it, so I have a pen that I just write on my screen. If I would just want to point out this area, I can just write on it. And say I want to highlight that area.